Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Cath. So for this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a simple journal planner using Canva. Let's start the tutorial. Alright, let's start the tutorial. So guys, I'm going to use a A4 document size for this journal planner template. Okay, so I'm going to insert a rectangle. So just press R on your keyboard. And now you can see a shape. So that's it. Let's resize it. And I'm going to insert the text. Let's type self-love. So we're going to make it self-love and gratitude journal planner. Okay, and let's change the font. So I use a tan pearl font. And then let's insert another text. Let's insert journal planner. Journal planner or journal. So separate journal. Okay, so it's fine. And I'm going to find a script font. So I'm going to use this. Let's try this one. Or Brittany. Or what font is it? Brittany. There you go. Let's try this one. Okay. And let's resize it. So let's make sure that it is properly aligned. Okay, so there you go. Now I'm going to insert an element, heart element. So it's a watercolor element. I'm going to use it as a design. Let's try to make a smaller version of the heart. And I'm going to duplicate the heart. And I'm going to position it here on the page. Okay, so let's try to let's try to put 4 hearts or 5 each side. Okay, and I'm going to lock this first so that it won't move, and then I'm going to highlight the hearts and pick the position and click the tidy up. So now you can see that the space between the hearts are all the same. I think we need to add one more heart. Okay, so here let's highlight it again and let's see if it's all the same spaces. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to group the hearts and going to duplicate it and put it here on the other side. Okay. Okay, I'm going to just copy this. All right. So I'm going to unlock this one, the self-love, and let's try to tweak a little bit. Okay, let's tweak it. Hmm. So that's it. I think it's all right. Okay, let's put a heart inside the letter O. Okay, so that's a simple self-love planner, and then let's insert a text, another text, and then let's put a sentence or a prompt. So I'm going to put a things that I love about myself. So because it's a self-love journal planner, this is the prompt for the journal. Okay, so that's it. Let's insert another rectangle, and let's change the color into um let's try it, or let's try another shade of pink, or let's try this one or this one. Okay, I think I like this one. I'm going to change the color of the text. Okay, and I'm going to change the font to tan pearl. So from gordita to tan pearl. And I'm going to resize it. Okay, so that's it. That's the self-love journal planner. Okay, next we're going to make a simple gratitude planner. Okay, so I'm going to add another page, and then I'm going to insert the text, and I'm going to type gratitude journal. Okay, and then let's change the font to Canva. And I will insert another shape. Okay, and then I will change this into color pink, and I will insert lines. So just type in writing lines in elements, and then you're going to see a ready-made lines. Okay, so no need to insert lines from scratch. Okay, so let's just grab it. All right, so that's it. That's how you can insert a line for your document. Okay, Alrighty. I'm going to insert some flowers. Okay. And let's try to search in elements, flowers, watercolor, flower. Let's choose let's try to find, how about this one? Let's try this for this one. I think I'm going to use this one. Let's try it. So I'm going to put it here on the lower part of the page, and then I will insert another one maybe on the top part. Okay, so let's try it. I'm going to copy it and let's try to resize it. Or let's put it on the side. I think I like it that way, and then I'm going to copy it and then reposition like that. I tweak a little bit the text, and let's try to rotate this. I'm going to edit a little bit, and I'm going to insert a text here, and I'm going to insert things that I'm grateful for. Okay, let's resize it, or maybe let's change the font. How about a light? So there you go. I think it's fine. And let's make it bolder. And for, okay, let's reduce the transparency of the lines. Okay, so I think it's good to go. Ready to print, or we can also use this for the fillable planner. Okay, time to download the journal planner that we've made. Okay, so we're done. Let's view. Okay, so that's how it looks, guys. So let's, okay, I increase the size, or I zoom in. So I zoom in the view. So I zoom in a bit so that you guys can see it. Okay, so that's it. Let's download it. Okay, I'm going to download it as a PDF print. Okay, and then all pages too. Alright, that's it. We're done making the self-love journal and then the gratitude journal planner. Okay. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. See you on my next video. Love you much.